Okay, so what's going wrong is we had our timing gear, which is this guy right here, this big gear right here that our timing belt's connected to. Well, our camshaft is connected to this belt. So that's our cam timing gear. Timing belt obviously keeps it in time with the crankshaft. But what has happened is there's a pin or a keyway that's cut into the camshaft. There's also a matching key on the pulley itself. And what's happened is, as we look at this is the pulley off of this car, if we can look at it, right there is where a key is supposed to be, or like a tooth that slips into our keyway on our camshaft. Well, you see there's not much left there. So what's happened is this gear has actually sheared this little tooth off, and our cam gear has moved, and it literally only moved one tooth. It retarded itself one tooth, meaning it slowed down in relation to how the crankshaft was spinning by one tooth. And in doing that, unfortunately, it meant that our valve timing was incorrect, and that meant that our pistons came up and hit our valves. So what's happened is our valves now are not closing like they should. There's actually a couple that are hanging open. How do I know this? I've already investigated the issue, but I'm going to walk you guys through on how to do this. We're going to do a very, very simple compression test to see, are our cylinders making pressure and are they holding the pressure that they are supposed to. So we're just going to do a very, very simple compression test. And what that entails is, first off, we've got to take our car, we've got to remove all of our spark plug wires. And our spark plug wires are these guys. And you see I've got them numbered just so that I know exactly where they go. That's the easiest way to do it. Put some tape on them, write numbers on them, or in this case I've just used a silver permanent marker. But we're going to have to pull our spark plug wires off because we're going to have to take our spark plugs out.